Hi guys, I'm here today to show you my new standalone application, Deepbeat. Deepbeat is a machine learning application that converts beatboxes to MIDI information. You can use Deepbeat to record your beatboxes and then convert that to MIDI drums. Once you're happy with it, you can export it to your favorite DAW. I built this application because I wanted musicians and producers to be able to quickly get a beat out of their mind and into the DAW. Okay, great. Let's have a look at how it works and some of the features it includes. On the left side here, we have the audio recorder. So this is used to obviously record the beatboxes. So we have the record button here, play and stop, and then we have the trim button here, which as you can see, switches you to the trim window if you want to trim your beat to make it more accurate. On the left side here, we have the MIDI player, and this is used to play back the MIDI information as a drum beat. You have your play and stop button. This is for looping, and then you have a metronome. You can use the metronome during recording if you want to get a more accurate tempo if you have one in mind. Down here we have the tempo section, which is used to play back the MIDI information at different speeds. And then this button right here changes the drum kit being played. And then this button up here is where all the magic happens. So this is what converts the audio to MIDI information, or essentially your beatboxes to drum kits. Once you're happy with the beat, you can then export it with this button right here, which will bring up a dialog window to save it to anywhere on your computer. Okay, cool. Now that we have an overview of how the application works, let's try out a beat. Okay, and we'll just trim that up a bit. Now we'll just convert it to MIDI. And you can see it's analyzed the tempo as 191, and it'll play it back as such. All right, not bad. Now we can play it through a different drum kit if we want. So let's try number 3. It's more of a 808. Okay, cool. And if you want, you can also put it on a loop. Okay, let's try a different drum kit and also playing at a different tempo. Switch drum kit, change it down to 120, let's say. Okay, could try it even a little bit faster. Okay, great. So once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and export it here. Brings up this dialog window, and you can just click wherever you want. Let's save it to the desktop. And you can see it's saved it as a MIDI file here, and you can just chuck that in whatever DAW you want. Let's say you want the audio as well. You can export the audio. Choose desktop again. And there you have it. You have your beatbox and the converted beatbox MIDI file. So those are ready to use in any musical production that you'd want to do. And just to give a brief description of what's happening under the hood, essentially what's happening is that when you click the convert to MIDI button, it grabs the onset or transient of every single beat that you've done and sends it to a machine learning model, which then makes its best guess at whether it's a kick, hi-hat, or snare. The model does this because it's been trained on thousands of beatboxing samples. Great, so if you're interested in using Deepbeat, it's available for free online. I'll put the links in the description below, but you can get it on Github or you can download it from Google Drive in the links below. At the moment, it's only available for Mac Mojave and Windows machines. If you have any questions about the application, feel free to message me or leave a comment below in the video. Thanks guys, I appreciate you checking out my application, and hopefully it serves you well in your musical productions. See ya.